This conference will now be recorded.
This is ESV Subramaniam giving you the video lecture on organic reactions and their types. Actually, organic reactions are divided into four types. They are addition reactions, substitution reactions, elimination reactions, and rearrangement reactions. And let me tell you about addition reactions. These are the reactions in which atoms or groups of atoms are added to a double bond without elimination of any atoms or other molecules. So here, if you take addition of bromine molecules to ethylene, one bromine atom is added to this carbon and other bromine atom is added to this carbon, so that double bond becomes single bond because carbon has to maintain quadrivalency. So ultimately, by the addition of bromine to ethylene, we get 1,2-dibromoethane. It is an example for addition reaction. Similarly, in the presence of peroxide, when HBr is added to propylene, we will get 1-bromoethane. This is another example for addition reaction. When acetaldehyde reacts with HCN, you will get acetaldehyde, cyanohydrin. This is another example for addition reactions. Now, these addition reactions are divided into three types. One is electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition, and free radical addition. What is meant by an electrophile? An electrophile is positively charged species or electron deficient species, and a nucleophile is having a negative charge or it has more electron density, whereas an electrophile is an atom or group of atoms which has one single electron. Free radicals are very reactive species. Now, what is electrophilic addition? When a polar molecule like HX is added to an alkene in such a manner that H plus is added to the carbon first, and the reaction is completed by the addition of X minus, it is called electrophilic addition. See, if you take a doubly bonded carbon, that means ethylene compound, first in electrophilic addition reactions, first the reaction starts with the addition of electrophile, and a reaction is ended by the addition of nucleophile. Now, if you take, for example, the addition of HBr to ethylene, it is an example for electrophilic addition reaction. The product is ethyl bromide. Then what is the mechanism of this reaction? Actually, mechanism means the process by which the chemical reaction takes place. In this reaction, the first step is that HBr is subjected to ionization to form H plus ion and Br minus ions. In the second step, a carbonium ion is formed by the addition of H plus ion to the ethylene, and we get ethyl carbonium ion. In the last step, this carbonium ion is attacked with Br minus ion, or we can say that Br minus is added to carbonium ion, and finally we will get ethyl bromide. Next, nucleophilic addition. What is a nucleophilic addition reaction? In nucleophilic reaction, the nucleophile attacks first, and reaction is completed by the attack of electrophile. For example, if you take addition of HCN to acetaldehyde, you will get acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. It is an example for nucleophilic addition. Here, in this first step involves ionization of HCN to form cyanide ion. This cyanide ion attacks the carbon of acetaldehyde. You will get anion of acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, where oxygen carries negative charge, and the reaction is completed by the addition of H plus ion to O minus ion, and the final product is the formation of this acetaldehyde cyanohydride. This is about the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. Then what is a free radical addition? When addition reaction is initiated by a free radical, then the reaction is called free radical addition. The addition of HBr to propene is an example for this free radical addition. This reaction takes place in the presence of peroxide. Consider this reaction, addition of HBr to propylene in presence of an organic peroxide. You will get 1-bromopropane. This reaction follows free radical mechanism. First of all, this organic peroxide will be subjected to homolytic fission in presence of ultraviolet light to form two alkoxy radicals. This alkoxy radical will react with HBr to form ROH and Br radical. This Br radical reacts with propylene and first a radical which is more stable, that is secondary alkyl radical is formed. This radical is reacting with HBr, and final product is 1-bromopropane and Br radical is formed. And finally, the reaction is terminated by the combination of two Br radicals to form Br2. Another example for the free radical addition is polymerization of ethylene to form polythene in the presence of peroxide. Mechanism, as usual, this alkyl peroxide will undergo homolytic friction to form two alkoxy radicals. This alkoxy radical attacks this ethylene and you will get this radical. And this alkyl radical again reacts with ethylene molecule and the size of the radical increases. The reaction propagates like this, and the reaction comes to an end by the combination of two growing alkyl chains. This is the mechanism for free radical addition. So today I have explained what is an addition reaction and what are the mechanisms of three types of addition reactions. Thank you.